Hello, and welcome to PreAlgebra. The goal of this class is to prepare you for Algebra 1 next year. Regardless of how boring or hard you found math in the past, this is the year where it needs to make sense. This is the year where you get it. In order to do that, you're going to need to do three things. Log in, participate, and work hard. If you do those three things, what you're actually doing is you're giving me the chance to do my job. You're giving me the chance to actually explain things, to provide that instruction, and most importantly, to answer your questions, to answer your points of confusion. If we're able to do that, we're able to make math make sense. Despite the unique position we're all in, I know we can find that success, and I know we can make the best of what we're given. I know I'm not actually going to be able to be there in person, but Google Meets, the fact that we're using Canvas, email, all those are ways to mitigate it and to make it more real that you can learn right now. Using Canvas in particular, I plan on organizing our class into modules. Those modules are going to be organized by week. So every week you're going to see a new module posted, and everything for that week will be right there. So there's going to be no guessing, no checking, no confusion. Every week's going to have its own module. That's going to be the primary source of all the lessons and the other materials. The only other place you'll need to look is under the Announcements tab. That's where I'm going to be posting things such as the synchronous session link to Google Meet. It'll be posted just prior to the actual session starting, so don't hesitate. So if you don't see it immediately, know that's okay. Just check over there shortly right before the meeting starts. You'll be able to click the Google Meet and you'll be able to join right in. I look forward to seeing you in our synchronous session. I look forward to you guys tackling all the lesson materials. How it's working right now, even though we're only here for a couple of days this week, is really how I'm intending it to work in the weeks that are coming. In the average week, I intend a video to go out with the lesson materials at the beginning of the week. You'll be able to work on that as the week goes on. And then at the end of the week, Wednesday and Thursday and Friday, I'll be online and with a synchronous live meeting like this, where I'll be able to answer the group's questions, work with you guys as a whole class, and be able to provide some examples that way to be able to help those harder questions make more sense. Now, that does not stop you from emailing me your questions at the beginning of the week, from reaching out to me at the beginning of the week. I want you to reach out, ask your questions, and I'll be glad to provide that feedback at the beginning of the week. It's just that at the end of the week, we'll be able to work as a whole group during that synchronous time. Other than that, I look forward to reading what you guys end up posting for your boring facts, and I'll see you all soon.